From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So it should come as no surprise that in this booth, the Soyuz 017 FET is king. An awful lot of bookings get done on the Soyuz 017 FET, and for good reason. I think it is absolutely one of the best voice-over microphones out there today. But there is a new contender in the booth. This is my prototype. I'm going to call it the TL-MYN for right now because I haven't come up with a better name for it. But this, to me, represents a more modern, open sound than the Soyuz 017 FET. I like the cutting edge of it, the forwardness of it, but it's not a mid-forward sound. Like I said, it's a little bit more open and balanced. Now, the Soyuz 017 FET, sorry for the delay in switching. So the Soyuz 017 FET, you can hear has a much more mid-forward sound, right? So you're not hearing as much balance across it. And next to the TL-MYN, it may sound even more like a presence peaky. But it really is. It's a very, very nice and balanced mid-forwardness. It's not like a really top-heavy mid-forwardness. Like I think that you find with the U87AI is a great mic, but I think it's a little bit like it leans a little bit more top-heavy. This, I feel like the mid-forwardness is balanced out by a kind of a very warm, low-mid hug, right? A low-mid hug. This is really, again, it's a much more balanced frequency response, but it has a nice, advanced, bright cutting edge, a more modern sound. So I think that the two of them are really very complementary to each other in the booth. Not that one would replace the other, and I'm not saying that this is of the quality of this, but I actually gigged with this microphone this week. That's how arrogant I am, that I create a new prototype and I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to use it on work. And I won the first audition I did with it, so I think that's a pretty good omen. All right, so let's just run some copy through it. All right, so here's some more ChatGPT AI-generated commercial copy. All right, here we go. Big Jim's Water Park, the place to be for all your water adventure needs. We've undergone safety upgrades and now we're not dangerous anymore. Come and have a splash with us. Big Jim's, we're finally safe. Big Jim's Water Park, the place to be for all your water adventure needs. We've undergone safety upgrades and now we're not dangerous anymore. Come have a splash with us. Big Jim's, we're finally safe. So yeah, there is a very noticeable difference between these two microphones. I think that even if you're playing it back through a phone speaker, you'll probably notice a difference. There is this beautiful transformer squish here that I think that you just can't beat for certain things. A nice transformer squish just feels luxurious. But this, to me, really does represent all that stuff we talked about over the summer, the modern sound, the modern forward immediate sound. I think this really fits in that category. So I'm getting smitten with this new prototype. I think this may be my sound. I don't know. What do you think? Which one do you like better? I'm hoping that there's no wrong answer. So yeah, let me know in the comments. All right, until next time. This is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.